Hi, my name is Charles Tran with Live Mobile Technology. In part 1, I showed you this diagram, which lays out all the components you'll need to build your very own 4K projector home theater system. It's got everything: the Sony VPL-XW5000 projector, a subwoofer, satellite speakers, a Denon AV receiver, Amazon Fire TV, PlayStation, and even the network setup to keep things running smoothly. Each piece is positioned for optimal performance, so you can enjoy that true cinematic experience right at home. If you missed it, don't worry. There's a link below to help you catch up. Today, in part 2, I'll be walking you through the complete installation process for these components, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put it all together and get your home theater system up and running. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade your movie nights, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first step is installing the pull-down white projector screen. Install the 135-inch pull-down projector. Remove the old projector and replace it with the Sony Projector. Here is where the projector will be mounted.
We're also putting in this Denon AVR-S970H. Okay, this is going to be the 4K. What we're doing is we're upgrading a 1080p system, right, to a 4K system, right?
Here is what's included in the box. Quick start guide, antenna, remote control, and calibration mic.
Denon model AVR-S970H. All right, here we go.
Let me give you a quick rundown of how everything comes together in this setup. At the heart of it all is the Denon AV receiver. It's basically the brain of your home theater system. Now, there are 4 key components that make this whole thing work. The internet line. This keeps everything connected, especially for streaming your favorite shows and movies. The source devices, like your Amazon Fire TV or PlayStation 5, which feed the content into the system. The Sony 4K projector, which gives you that beautiful cinema quality picture. The audio output, which connects to your speakers for that amazing surround sound experience. You can see here how everything plugs into the Denon receiver. HDMI for your devices, speaker outputs for the audio, and even the network connection to keep it all running smoothly. We'll dive into each step in detail in just a bit, but for now, this is a quick look at how it all works together. Here's the old AVR, which will be replaced with the Denon AVR-S970H. The Denon AVR-S970H can connect various audio and video devices to create a seamless home entertainment experience. Commonly connected devices include television or projector, speakers, media players, audio sources, smart devices, and network devices. Here is where all the connections are located. Let's quickly walk through the connections on your Denon receiver for a seamless setup. HDMI connections. HDMI 1. Connect your Sony PlayStation 5 here. HDMI 2. Use this for your Amazon Fire TV. HDMI ARC. Connect to your Sony projector for synchronized audio and video. Network connections. For a stable connection, plug an Ethernet cable from your Netgear network switch into the Ethernet port, or set up Wi-Fi through your AT&T router. Speaker terminals. The color-coded terminals connect your speakers: FR, FL, C, SR, SL, front, center, and surround speakers. FHL, FHR, front height speakers for Dolby Atmos. SW, connect your subwoofer for deep bass. Tips: check all connections, organize your cables, and match speakers to their correct terminals. Your Denon receiver is now ready for action. Now let's connect the 8K HDMI to the projector. 8K HDMI is important for delivering ultra-high definition resolution, high bandwidth for smooth playback, and enhanced audio-visual experiences, ensuring compatibility with future technology advancements. Here's where we insert the 8K HDMI cable.
There's the cable. We pull it from this end, from that end, and we're going over to that cable over there, pulling down.
And here's where it comes out. Once all the cables and wires are inserted, connect them to the Denon AVR.
So this is the side, that is the 8K.
Now, this is the crucial step. To properly center the projector, we must first measure the placement of the screen before mounting the projector bracket. Measuring the placement of the screen before mounting the projector bracket is to ensure the projector is properly centered and aligned with the screen, providing an optimal viewing experience and preventing image distortion or improper sizing. It also helps in achieving the correct throw distance for the best image quality. Second step, installing the ceiling bracket and the projector bracket. To ensure a secure installation of the ceiling bracket, it is crucial to use a stud finder to locate a stud before mounting the bracket. This step is essential for achieving a strong and stable setup. Once you locate a stud, use this ceiling plate adapter to mark the spot accurately, ensuring precise drilling for the installation. A ceiling plate adapter ensures a secure, stable, and properly aligned connection between the mounted object and the ceiling while distributing weight evenly. Now use a pencil to indicate the spot for drilling. Then use a drill to make holes at the marked locations. Secure the ceiling plate adapter in place by fastening it with screws using a drill. If you like my videos and find them helpful, please support my channel by clicking on the like button and subscribe button. Your support means a lot and helps me create more engaging content like this. After installing the ceiling plate adapter, attach the 3-inch extension column. It provides extra clearance for the installation. Now, let's proceed with installing the projector bracket. The included parts are screws and nuts, mounting legs, mounting plate, and a hex key. Begin by attaching the high adjustment nut to the projector with screws, which will serve as the connection point between the projector and the bracket. This nut includes a washer and allows you to adjust the height by rotating it to your preferred position. Next, attach the mounting legs to the nuts. Each mounting leg is equipped with a sliding threaded stud, allowing you to adjust the leg's length for maximum flexibility. Additionally, the legs feature a quick connect latch with a visual lock indicator, ensuring a fast and secure installation. Next, attach the mounting plate, ensuring that the sliding threaded stud is properly inserted into the hole on the plate. Secure it using the thumb nuts. Adjustments may be necessary based on the projector's position, ensuring that its weight is centered for proper balance. Once the projector bracket is set up, move on to the ceiling bracket. Attach the ceiling bracket to the 3-inch extension column, which will support the projector. Note, this is why you see these old wall marks and cracks. The owner of the house will handle the wall repairs themselves, and we are only responsible for mounting the 4K projector. Continue turning it until it is firmly tightened, ensuring the bracket is facing and properly aligned with the pull-down projector screen.
All right, so we're putting it up.
Simply position the projector bracket, slide the lever, and turn the key to lock it securely in place. Use a level tool to ensure the projector is perfectly aligned. Next, connect the power cable, HDMI cable, and Ethernet cable. Connect all the cables to the Denon AVR-S970H and adjust the projector's position to align with the screen. To adjust the projector's angle, turn these screws. One controls horizontal adjustment and the other controls vertical adjustment. If you need any of the tools or materials I used, they're all linked in the description below for your convenience. Lastly, connect all the speaker cables to Denon AVR. Once that's done, you're ready to start calibrating the sound for the perfect audio experience. Now, for the sound calibration and programming of system, don't worry, I've got you covered in part 3 of this video series, where we'll dive into that in detail. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to respond. Thanks for watching.